Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Today we will discuss about umbrella cross stitch pattern. Umbrella stitch patterns are delightful and versatile designs used in hand embroidery. Here are some traditional and modern umbrella stitch patterns. Traditional umbrella cross stitch patterns. Classic umbrella, simple and symmetrical designs, floral umbrella, intricate flowers and leaves. Victorian umbrellas, ornate curved lines, Art Deco umbrella, geometric patterns, folk art umbrella, whimsical rustic designs. Modern umbrella stitch patterns are the geometric umbrella, chevron, triangles, and hexagon. Abstract umbrella, expressive and curved lines. Watercolor umbrella, soft and blended colors. Boho umbrella, free spirited electric designs. Minimalist umbrella, simple and the modern lines. Stitches use satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot, stem stitch, back stitch, chain stitch, and herringbone stitch. Tips and variation, experiment with thread colors and textures, add beads, sequins or charms, combine stitches for unique textures, use different fabric types, linen, cotton and silk, create personalized designs with monograms. Umbrella stitch patterns variations, raindrop umbrella, add raindrop shape stitches, cloud umbrella, incorporate cloud like designs, floral wreath umbrellas, round umbrellas with flowers, geometric shape umbrella, use geometric shapes, whimsical character umbrella, add playful characters. Classic umbrella cross stitch pattern. Classic umbrella stitch patterns are traditional and timeless design used in hand embroidery. Here are some popular classic umbrella stitch patterns. Traditional umbrella stitch patterns. Simple umbrella, basic shape with straight stitches. Floral umbrellas, intricate floral pattern and scroll work. Victorian umbrella, ornate curved design with satin stitch, Art Deco umbrella. Geometric patterns are and bold lines, ornate umbrella, intricate curved design inspired by Asian art. Stitches use satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot, stem stitch, back stitch and chain stitch. Characteristics include symmetrical designs, curved lines and shapes, intricate details, use of contrasting threads, traditional embroidery techniques. Tips and variation, experiment with thread colors and textures, add beads or sequins for embellishment, use different fabric types, create personalized designs with monograms, combine stitches for unique textures. Classic umbrella stitch pattern designs, umbrella with ribbons, floral wreath umbrella, umbrella with tassels, ornate style umbrella and Art Deco umbrella designs. Here are some classic umbrella stitch pattern, umbrella with floral accents, Victorian designs, simple umbrella patterns, umbrella with ribbons and bows, ornate umbrella design. Modern umbrella design. Modern umbrella stitch patterns offer fresh and creative design for hand embroidery. Here are some popular modern umbrella stitch patterns. Geometric umbrella, chevron, triangle and hexagon, abstract umbrella, expressive curved lines, watercolor umbrella, soft blended colors, boho umbrella, free spirited electric designs, minimalist umbrella, simple and modern lines, contemporary designs umbrella with raindrops, cloud umbrella, floral wreaths, geometric shape and whimsical characters. Stitches use back stitch, chain stitch, French knot and long and short stitch. Characteristics, asymmetrical designs, bold colors and textures. Experimentations with stitches, use of beads and sequins, modern embroidery techniques. Tips and variations, experiment with thread colors and textures, add beads or sequins for embellishment, use different fabric types, linen, cotton and silk, create personalized designs with monograms, combine stitches for unique textures. Modern umbrella stitch patterns, inspiration, nature, leaves and flowers, architectures, building bridges, abstract art, pop cultures, movie music, person, experience, and emotions. Some popular modern umbrella stitch patterns include umbrella with geometric patterns, abstract floral umbrella, whimsical umbrella design, modern minimalist design umbrella with watercolor effect. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips and tricks for modern umbrella stitch. General stitch tips. Choose suitable fabric, linen, cotton, or silk. Use high quality embroidery flows. Maintain even tensions. Use hook or frame for stability. Stitching tips. Start with simple stitches, back stitch, and chain stitch. Vary stitch length for textures. Use contrasting threads for visibility. Keep stitches consistent. Use needle threads for ease. Modern umbrella stitch tips. Experiment with threads, color, and textures. Add beads or sequins for embellishment. Use different fabric types. Create personalized designs with monograms. Combine stitches for unique textures. Design tips. Balance composition with symmetry. Consider theme and occasions. Keep design simple for beginners. Use reference images for inspirations. Experiment with digital embroidery software. Troubleshooting uneven tensions. Adjust stitching or use stabilizer. Thread breakage. Use high quality threads. Avoid pulling. Distorted designs, restitch or repeat fabric. Lost stitches, use magnifier or tracing paper. Innovative ideas, mixed media embroidery plus printing applique, use unconventional materials, vinyl wood, create 3D effects with padding, incorporate quotes for lyrics, and design personalized gift. Resources, embroidery books and patterns, outline tutorials, embroidery communities, social media platform and local embroidery. Common mistake to avoid: inconsistent stitching, insufficient tension, poor thread quality, inadequate hoop or frame support, lack of practice. By following these tips and tricks, you will be well on your way to creating stunning modern umbrella stitch patterns. Umbrella stitch patterns can be categorized into various types based on design, stitch usage, and themes. Here are some common types. Traditional umbrella stitch pattern: Victorian umbrella, floral umbrella, Art Deco umbrella, Oriental umbrella, and classic umbrella. Modern umbrella stitch patterns: geometric umbrella, abstract umbrella, watercolor umbrella, boho umbrella, and minimalist umbrella. Nature inspired umbrella stitch patterns: floral wreath umbrella, leafy umbrella, bird's nest umbrella, butterfly umbrella, and garden umbrella. Geometric umbrella stitch patterns: chevron, hexagon, triangle, diamond shape, and geometric shape umbrella. Whimsical umbrella stitch patterns are cartoon characters, fantasy umbrella, whimsical characters, humorous umbrella, and playful umbrella. Seasonal stitch patterns: spring floral, summer sunshine, autumn leaves, winter snowflake, and holiday theme. Embroidery style stitch patterns: cross stitch, satin stitch, long and short stitch, French knot, and black work. Theme based umbrella stitch patterns are wedding and anniversary umbrella, birthday celebration umbrella, holiday seasonal umbrella, inspirational, motivational umbrella, and memorial tribute umbrella. These categories can help you find the perfect umbrella stitch pattern for you. Would you like more information, a specific type or theme? Leave the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video with other unique and different ideas. Allah Hafiz.